Okay, I'm in my luteal phase. Help. Okay, this is what it looks like to pack for a year-ish long trip. I don't know. With 7 years of travel abroad, living abroad experience. Wow, I'm not making sense. Here's the backpack. Okay, here we go. So I'm going for like maybe 8 months. I don't know. I'm gonna bring 5 pairs of underwear. You just wash them, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom! Socks, you want to bring some cotton, 1 fluffy. Boom! Okay. Banana suit, obviously. What else? Okay, you want to think about practicality and color combinations. I'm going to tropical weather most of the time. And I like looking cool. So yeah, maroon, orange, purple. Bam! You know, good patterns, comfortability, whatever, if that's a word. I want to have one nice shirt just in case I go out, you know, to a 70s night. Oh, also, should I bring this Malcolm X shirt? I'm not sure it's like the best thing I ever owned, so maybe it's not a good idea if I'm doing budget traveling to tropical countries. It's getting all sweaty, but it's so beautiful. I love it. Okay, done with that drawer, I think. You want to get a dress, see-through shirt, maybe something like this. First, it's super cool. And it's long sleeve. It's kind of heavy for light travel, but you want to have a long sleeve. This is the maybe pile. And what else? You know what? That's basically it. And what else? I'm gonna put my swimsuit, some band-aids, you know, toiletries, and all my camera gear, like film camera, DSLR. Oh, laptop. I thought about bringing my keyboard with the clacky keys, but that's a little excessive. I don't know. I could just buy one, right? I don't know. And the tripod that this is being filmed on. Bam! And that's all. Yeah.